So today we're going to take a look at discounts. Now, you got to remember that sales tax is always added after the discount is taken off. Now, if you look at this first example, it says we want to calculate the discounted price and then calculate the total cost based on the fact that I've got 25% off. Now, here is the basic solution. With taxes, we always added first. But this time what we're going to do is we're going to, instead of adding the 25% that this thing is taken, that this thing says is taken off, we're going to subtract it. So let's go and calculate the discount. So the first thing that you got to recognize is that we got 25% of $24.99. Now, we could have also written this as that 25%. Maybe it could have been written as 1/4. Right? And you could write 1/4 as, well, 1 divided by 4. If you ever needed to do that on a sheet, and then you just take 1/4 and then multiply by this. But you got to remember that we have 25%, and 25% really means 25 divided by 100. And then we're going to times it by the 274.99. And when you calculate that, you're going to get the final discount to be 68.75. So $68.75 as your discount. Now that I have the discount, we have to calculate the sale price. So the sale price is given by doing this. You take the original minus the discount. And so now you subtract those two numbers and you get 206.24 as your sale price. Now that you have your sale price, we want to calculate the total price, including taxes. And what I'm going to show you is a shortcut. And what we do in order to shorten our calculations is we're going to go and take basically our sale price, okay, and multiply by this number, 1.13. So that's actually saying take the 100% from before and tack on 13%. So when you do that, you're going to get this, 1.13. We're going to times it by 206.24, and that gives us our final total with taxes being $233.05. So when you're doing the discount calculations, you don't have to do the full tax calculations that we did before, where we calculated the individual tax and then added. This time, what I want you to do is I want you to just multiply by 1.13. In order to understand what that really means, that 1 means the first price. No, not the first price. So you think of this as the sale price. And then the 13 represents the tax added. And that's all it does. So if you ever want to figure out the total price of something, you just multiply it by 1.13, and that's all you have to do. Now, just a quick reminder. Remember, when you calculate the discount, take 25% of our number, and then we subtract it from the original amount to get the price that we're going to pay our taxes on. Then we're going to take what we have for our taxes, our sale price, and we're going to stick it in here and just multiply by 1.13, and we get our answer.